Cards for trade, what's up? Vinny, TND. What's up, guys? Bowman Jumbo Inception. I might, not right now, but I'll check in a little bit. TND. No giveaways. This is just the group break from earlier. I think we get right into it because this is going to be a while, so buckle up. It's going to take me a while to get through that Bowman. I say we go for it, guys. I have my teams here. Let me know if you need to know what teams you have. 609, what's up? You have to let us know when you get that redemption Kyler Murray filled. I want to see a picture of that. That'll be awesome. Yeah, you guys sell me. Yes, I did see the trade. Mets for Blue Jays. Very interesting trade. Some great players in both of those. Vlad, obviously. Ronnie Mauricio's stuff is crazy. What's going on, Joe? All right, start with Inception. Let's not waste any more time. Because we got to get this thing done in an hour or we got to restart the video. So, yeah, Blue Jays for Mets is the only trade I saw. For sure. That's a heck of a trade. Some great stuff in there. Both those guys. So, everyone knows the deal here. Inception. 1 box, 7 cards, 1 auto, 1 on-card auto. This is going to break the tradition because I'm going to be able to open this pack. Usually I can never open the first pack. So, Inception is, I think it's my favorite baseball product. Bowman's obviously got the crazy resale value, but I love Inception, so let's get into it. We're going to use Dan the Man, as always, as our block. Chris Bryant, base. Yep, we do got color on the back there. Ohtani. Can't beat these cards. I just love the artwork. Yeah, I know, seriously. That's my cover. All right, another base, Jose Ramirez. Carlos Correa, base as well. Thick stock, nice cards. Is that our... Yep, let's pull from the back here. I don't know if you guys saw who the hit it was. I think I saw it. Josh Hader. Awesome reliever. Killed the Mets the other night. Green. It's base, though. Josh Rogers. Rookie. Numbered 1 out of 99. That's what they call an eBay 101. Going to the Orioles. And I think the Orioles are going to be our first hit as well, if I saw that correctly. I like that, Rogers. Let's see. It is going to be the Orioles. Who had the Orioles first hit? The Orioles had the first hit last baseball break. Greeny, newbie. Cedric Mullins. Nice patch. 3-color patch. Cedric Mullins. Sticker auto out of 100. 46 out of 100. That is a super, super thick card. Hope I got something. This is even thicker than I was thinking these were going to be. Let me grab something for that. It's going to be our first hit. Cedric Mullins. Nice 3-color patch. Yeah, I like that one a lot. Can't go wrong with Inception. Cannot. First hit, Cedric Mullins, going to Greeny. We'll start stacking those over to the side. I was curious if you guys wanted to start with Inception or Bowman, because Bowman, you know, Bowman's obviously what everyone wants, but the Inception cards are just beautiful. Yeah, Mauricio, oh man, his autos start at 50, and I've seen them. I saw one 4 days ago go for over $2,000. I think it was out of 100, which is what the was that Aqua. Tried to write all these down. Oh, it was orange. I think that one. Yeah, his stuff is ridiculous. His resale value. No need to cover these base. Scherzer. Thick stock, nice cards. Christian Stewart. Tigers. Pull from the back. Ooh, we do have some color there. Couple. Whit Merrifield, green. Base. Going to the Royals. Nice. Kyle Tucker, rookie purple out of 150. Going to the Stros. Who had the Astros? Lethal. Nice Kyle Tucker. Slide Dan the Man in here for our auto cover. Right? Did I grab that wrong one here? Oh, I think I did. Tellez. Yeah, I like that one. Rookie. Going to the Jays, the traded Jays. Was that our hit here? Am I nuts? No, okay. Hits on the bottom. Trey Turner. That's. And then our second hit, guys. Is this the wrong way here? Bryce Wilson. Rookie auto on card at a 200. I know. I would do a case of this, guys, if everyone would be in. It'd be a little expensive, but who had the Braves? Come on. JT card collector. Getting the nice. All right. I might be able to make that happen. Definitely down for this case of this. Okay. Is what I like is it's not too many cards, so you get through it pretty quick. All right. If you guys are down, I'm down. Out of 200, Bryce Wilson. It's going to be our second hit. First hit, Cedric Mullins. Going to the Orioles, and then the Bryce Wilson. Got that all kind of sideways in here, but... All right, I'll keep that in mind, guys. All right. Everyone knows what we're here for. Jumbo. I do have more Bowman, guys. So that'll be next baseball. Will be more Bowman. This thing is a brick. So heavy. So many cards in here. This will be fun. 3 autos plus lots of good color. We're empty. All right, this is Bowman. Good luck, everybody. This is going to be fun. There's so much stuff in here. Never know what you're going to get. This is my first time seeing Bowman in person, so. I see some color or something in the middle there. All right, Suarez, this is your base. The cards are a little off-center. That's just how they look. They had the border on the one side. Brian Anderson, I'm sorry. Chris Davis. Definitely got some color back there or something. Brandon Crawford. Ronald Guzman. Chris Bryant, Trey Mancini. Put these over here. There's our first rookie, Ramos Garcia, rookie, going to the Giants. Bryce Wilson, rookie. J.D. Stewart, rookie, going to the Orioles. Rodney Tellez. Yeah, I'll try to. We'll go through the first couple packs. We'll go a little slow. But Trout, Scooter Gennett, Salvi, Josh Hader. There we go. First Bowman, Chrome. Lyon Richardson. Can't go wrong with Bowman Chrome. These are so nice. All right, let's keep going. Brandon Marsh. Oh, top 100 prospects. Vlad Guerrero Jr. Nice. Number 1, of course. Number 1 prospect. Not bad. Nice and shiny. Keep it rolling. Vlad Guerrero ready for the show right behind it. And there's our first auto right behind that. It's going to the Mariners. Justice Sheffield out of 50. Going to the Mariners. Joe's got the Mariners. Of course he does. I haven't seen these in person, so I'm going to go through a little slow in the first round just to see what we got. Whew, out of 50. Joe, you hit an auto on every one of our breaks. Every single one of them. Justice Sheffield out of 50. So what is that? I'm being careful. Justice Sheffield out of 50. Anything, any autos out of here, any of the... So what is this? I think I tried to print out the list here of the autos to see what they are. I don't know. Subset. There's so many different ones. It's hard to keep track of. Sheffield in the back. Keep it rolling. Zach Collins. Edwin Cabrera. Austin Riley. Fernando Tatis. Seth Beer. Astros. Yeah, that's fair. D.L. Hall. It's an unfortunate name for a baseball player. D.L. Taylor Widener. Diamondbacks. Alec Baum, Phillies. Christian Javier. Stros. Blake Rutherford. Jesus Sanchez. These cards do not like to stay stacked on my side. Ryan Mountcastle. And then Ryan Weathers on the back. So first auto, and this is going to the Mariners. First pack, 1 auto. Sanchez. So many of these guys, so many prospects in baseball. It's hard to know every one of these dudes. So maybe I jump over through something big time too. So maybe I skip over something. Let me know if I do. All right, Joey Wendell, Scherzer, Ryan O'Hearn rookie. So it looks like you have your stack of rookies on the top and then the paper rookies. David Fletcher, Colby Allard, Lugo, Bowers, and in the middle, death range. Corbin Burns, Verlander. I'm working on it. Barrios, Eric Hosmer, Toussaint, Keller, Castellanos. Looks like we got some more color in here too. Edwin Cabrera, Bowman Chrome. Yeah, everyone wants Wander Franco. Cabrera. Top 100 prospects here. Jazz Chisholm, I guess. Number 63. Rookie of the Year favorites. Christian Stewart. And then this is not one of the autos, but this is those 30th anniversary. People have been fooling these for autos. At least I'm pretty sure. Kyber Ruiz. See, I've seen these. I've seen people mistaking these for autos in this 30th anniversary. But I've seen people all over the place on these 30th anniversary cards. You guys know something I don't, please let me know. Brayu. Justin Dunn. Franklin Perez. Can't go wrong with these Bowman. Blake Rutherford again. Nate Pearson. Daz Cameron. Gore. Ryan Helsey. Lyon Richardson again. Gavin Lux. Cal Quantrell. Lucan Baker. Did he? Really? I must have missed that. All right, keep it going. Pack 3. Brandon Lau, Dakota Hudson, Danny Jansen, Kyle Wright, Michael Givens, Carpenter, Kel Franco, Cody Bellinger, Miguel Cabrera, Jose Abreu, Archer, Stroman, Christian Stewart, rookie, Luis Guillermo, rookie, Cave, rookie, Ryan Weathers again in the chrome, Gore again in chrome. Must have one of these in every pack. This 100, Sean Murphy, number 50. Top 100 prospects. Like Gore? Where is he? I have a list of prospects over here. Oh, number 15. Number 15, huh? Top prospects. Brandon McKay. Ready for the show. Love these chrome. Talent Pipeline. This is a cool insert. Forrest Whitley, Alvarez, Jordan Alvarez, Seth Bear. Sharp looking card. Parallels are so nice in this. Kinsey, Orleans, Luis Garcia. Wiley's number 4 prospect. Yeah, I have the list. I have him over here as 7. Keeping that up just for make sure I know what I'm doing. Nick Madrigal. Sandro Fabian. Bowman first. Julio Rodriguez. Always good to get the chrome. Bowman first. Whitley. Lambert. Cease. Another Bowman first, not chrome. Robert Romez. Yeah. Diaz. Fadio. Vlad Guerrero on the back. All right. One auto down in this. Otani, Jose Ramirez. We're going to fly through this top paper. JT Realmuto, Chapman, Haniger, Lindor, Betts. Yeah, I know. Too many cards in here. Albies, Laureano, rookie. Buriuk, rookie. Chance Adams, rookie. Justice Sheffield, rookie. We'll do a case of Inception, much quicker, 7 cards. These cards like to spin on me on the side. Cedric Mullins, rookie. Yeah, I'll be here for a week at least doing a case of this. Yeah, that's the only problem. Next break of this is going to be 3 boxes. That's already going to be a nice one. Loaizaga, Santos, Greinke there. Jojo Romero, Chrome. Top 100, Jason Groom, number 64. Yeah, I know. That's why there's only 1 box. Shouldn't need to fly through this. Another 50th anniversary. One of these like fake signature cards, I guess. I'm not even sure how to classify that. Altuve. Here we go. We got some color here. At a $4.99, it's going to be your refractor. Andrew Keisner. Refractor at a $4.99. Going to the cards. 609 cards. Not only to the cards, but 609 cards. These aren't fitting in the regular top loaders. We'll go with the nice refractor. Sanchez, Ordner, Ruiz, Keller, Kinsey, Maiden, Groom again. He was on a different team in the last one? I think he was. Liberatore, Admin, Bowman first, Ronaldo, Hernandez, Bichette. That'd probably make more sense. Seth Bear again. Hasley. So finally some color in there. It's not bad. Everyone's getting a stack of cards for sure in this one. Come on. Pack wants to disintegrate on me. Bichette, DeGrom, Marte. Is he? It's impossible to know all these guys, to be honest. Stanton, JD, Altuve, Urias, rookie, Arcia, rookie, Josh James, rookie, Goldschmidt, Moncada, Yelich, Will Myers, Pilar, Molina, top 5. Where is he on my list? Yeah, he's 11 on my list. Logan Allen. Excuse me. Matt Manning. Another top 100 prospects. Nate Pearson, number 74 on the back. Tristan McKenzie, ready for the show. Bowman. Another talent pipeline. This one going to the Brewers. Burns. Uhura, Lutz, more paper here, Graterol, India, Chisholm again, Ian Anderson, Sanchez, Melendez, Ian Anderson, William Contreras, Maya Bowman first, Luis Robert, Shane Baez, another Bowman first, Jose De La Cruz, going to the Tigers. Need some more color in here. And we're looking for 2 of our autos still. Reed Foley, rookie. Brandon Lau, rookie. Dakota Hudson, rookie. Jansen, rookie. Kyle Wright, rookie. Givens. Carp. Franco. Bellinger. Sixers win? Cabrera. Abreu. Archer. Stroman. Christian Stewart, rookie. Luis Guillermo, rookie. To the Chrome. Orleans? We'll go with that. Nolan Jones, number 85 prospect. And we got some paper parallel here at a $4.99. Ruiz going to the Dodgers. Ruiz at a $4.99. What's going on the Detroit Lions den? Ruiz at a $4.99. Casey Miz, right? Miz. Bowman. I like this one. Have not seen this insert yet. Going to the Tigers. Yeah, I like those Sterling inserts. Yeah, that one's not bad. Going to the Dodgers. Who's that? Jefferson? I'm not sure where he is tonight. I think he's a Dodgers fan. He got the Dodgers. I don't know if he's in here. Yeah, he's very good. All right. Alvarez, Bowman first, Nova. Peters. Did they draft him or did they get him in a trade somewhere? Detroit. Heck, he's not on my list here. Keegan Thompson, Chrome first. Oh, I forgot you had your other. Yeah, I forgot you had that account. Ryan Bannon, Chrome first, going to the Orioles. Daniel Johnson. Oh, was he number 1 overall pick? Oh. Hernandez first, Bowman, combining things here. Chrome and Bowman. Raggins, Spanberg, Bowman first, Victor Mesa Jr. That's the thing. Like, we're going through some of these. We could be passing over some of the greatest players of all time. Jared Klinick, former Met. You never know. Oh boy, still got a lot to go here. That's why you get these, and you might as well just go ahead and hold on to a lot of these cards. Cave again, rookie, Otani, Jose Ramirez, Real Muta, Chapman. Yeah, he probably will be, unfortunately, for the Mets. But at least they got Edwin Diaz out of that deal. So Lindor, Betts, Albies, Laureano, rookie, Baruki, rookie, Chance Adams, rookie, Justice Sheffield, rookie, Mullins, rook. I'm getting the Chrome here. Duplander, Bowman first, Martinez, Bowman first. And then we got Nick Swenzel, number 11. I think a lot of people even have him higher than that. Top prospect for the Reds. Yeah, that no-no was right on time. Hopefully we get an auto or something. Forrest Whitley, ready for the show. And there we go. Our second rookie, Baruki. It's going to be, what is this, some sort of parallel here? Came out of, yeah, I like that Stencil a lot. Came up on us here. That was a traded team. Joe, you could have both autos. Rookie auto. Yeah, I like that Stencil a lot. Those top 100 cards are clean. Keep it going. Bowman first, Joey Bart. Wish that was chrome. Yeah. How's his, like, are these ones holding up, these, like, paper base? Tavares. Yeah, I know. There is no Mauricio yet. Not many Mets. Shane Baz. Bowman first. Christian Javier. DJ Peters. Looks like Jason Worth. That might be Jason Worth reincarnated. Called it. I mean, it's your Bowman first, but Ronnie Mauricio, going to the Mets. I don't know how those paper ones hold up. Dang Dunning, Carter, yeah, Kiaboom, Cole Winn, Kevin Smith, Ramos, Duplander again. I know everyone's after the chrome. Does anyone know how those the paper rookies hold up? We just pulled that Joey Bart and Ronnie Mauricio. I'd imagine not nearly as well as the chrome, obviously, but Ahmed Rosario, Longoria, Adams, Juan Soto, Whit Merrifield, Taylor Ward rookie. Here's our run of rookies here. Kramer, back-to-back Pirates, Newman, Astudillo. No, we send everything here. That's ridiculous. Kopech rookie, Kyle Freeland. You guys pay for the spots. You get every card. Unless you just really don't want it, and then I won't ship it. But Rosario, but I always ship base. Aaron Judge, Wendell, especially in this, a lot of these guys could turn out to be studs, and anything could hold up, or anything could be valuable in the future. MJ Melendez, Tavares, number 75, top 100 prospects. Here's that 30th anniversary again, DeGrom with that like paper or like the printed signature, if you will. Still very clean looking cards. Talent pipeline, Collins, Rutherford, Eloy Jimenez, another top prospects. Yeah, that's the great thing about Bowman. AJ Puck. People like base. People like to collect if they have a PC of a team or their own team. Santana, Bowman first, Perez, Lambert. Mata, Tavares, into the chrome here. Krylov, May, Colome. Just had Tommy John surgery, if I believe is correct. Chris Paddock, Bowman first, Victor Mesa, Marte, Andres Jimenez. I mean, he's really the Mets' top prospect, but Ronnie Mauricio is skyrocketing right now. 4 packs to go. We need more color. Numbered. Weiziga, Santos, Greinke, Suarez, Brian Anderson, Chris Davis, Crawford, Guzman, Chris Bryant, Mancini, into the rookies here, Garcia, Bryce Wilson, DJ Stewart, Tellez, Trout. Yeah, not a lot of color yet. We got 4 packs to go. Christian Pock, or I've heard that pronounce a couple. Yeah, just that Dodger. Daz Cameron. Number 17, Luzardo on the A's. That's true. Another 30th anniversary with the like printed signature here. Oh, that's Casey Miz, right? Casey Miz. Wander Franco. Don't know how these paper ones hold up, but Franco's going in some. Wish it was some color, but Andy Franco's good. Brandon McKay, Bowman first, Ruiz, Keisner again, Bowman first, Hankins, Robert, Bowman first, Webb, Costello, Bowman first, McKenna, Kissholm again, Matt Manning again. Looks like he's 70 or 50 years old in that picture. Adams, Chavis, Michael Chavis. Yeah, you never know, really. All right, keep it going. So the next break will be 3 boxes of Bowman. Just the regular hobby boxes. Next baseball break, anyway. So, Scherzer, O'Hearn, rookies here, Fletcher, Allard, Lugo, Jack Bowers, Corbin Burns, Verlander, Barrios. This pack is backwards, I think. Hosmer. No, there we go. Toussaint. Keller rookie. Castellanos. Mr. Cy Young. Diaz. Jared Kalenic again. Top 100 prospects. Jackson Kowar. Number 83. Jackson Kowar. Eloy Jimenez, top prospect, just got that huge deal. And there is our third auto. They snuck right up on you. Going to the Nats. Augustine? Telmito Augustine, maybe? Augustine? Going to the Nats. Don't know too much about him. Who had the Nats? TND Sports Cards. Yeah, no Colorado. A little disappointing. Downs, Tucker, Bowman first here, Webb, Chrome, Costello again. Raggins, Casey Miz again, Fabian, Alexander, Bowman first, Lawson, Baez, Eloy Jimenez, Hecklin first on the back. That'd be nice. Need to get need more color. I don't know what's going on here. Jeanette, Perez, Hader, Nola, Edwin Diaz, Odor, Rizzo, Acuna Jr., Garcia rookie, Jeff McNeil rookie, Steven Duggar rookie, Chris Shaw rookie, Kyle Tucker rookie, Arenado, Stewart. Yeah, I know. There we go. Wander Franco, first Chrome. Wander Franco. Yeah, lots of Ted Williams rookies in this product. McKenzie, number 62. Yeah, I don't know what we're doing with the color here. Jesus Luzardo again. There we go. Some more color finally. Is that green? green border at a 125. Aqua, actually. Aqua. Kilgore. Yeah, not too much color here. Kilgore out of Colome. Can I say Kilgore? Colome. Franklin. They got him from the Phillies. Going to the Mets. Aqua refractor. No, I'm sorry, parallel. Out of 125. I like that aqua border, though. I don't know. This box, Ruker. Pash again. Cabrera first. Dean Dunning. Dustin May. Abreu. Burrows. Brandon Marsh. Joe Adele. Hayes. DL Hall. Sean Murphy. 1 pack to go, guys. Yeah, this box hasn't been the best, I will say. I wish there was some more color. Well, I have 3 more. I don't have the jumbo boxes, but I have 3 boxes of Bowman. That's going to be the next baseball break. Marte, Stanton, JD, Altuve, Urias rookie, Arcia rookie, Josh James. Tim Tebow's not in this product, I don't think. Goldschmidt, Moncada, Christian Yelich, Will Myers, Kevin Pillar. I don't know if we have any color coming, guys. Molina, Reed Foley, Ruker, Brent Rooker, Brandon Marsh, top 100 prospects, 78. Rookie of the year favorites, Colby Allard. Nice card. What's going on, Stormtrooper? Chris Bryant. I do like these cards. These inserts. What's going on, Stormtrooper? Florial. Joey Wentz. Rodriguez. Widener. Jonathan Hernandez. Osvedo. Oh boy, I don't know if we have any color here. Eloy Jimenez. Adaman. Royce Lewis. Martinez, Bowman first. No color, guys. No more color. Nick Senzel. Nate Pearson. Swaggerty. Honeywell. Yeah, not a lot of color in that. That was kind of disappointing. Let's recap it really quick. Sorry, guys. Baruki auto. Baruki auto. Cedric Mullins, nice patch from Inception. Out of 100. The Bryce Wilson patch. Inception's always pretty sick. Out of 200. The Justice Sheffield out of 50. That was probably our best hit. Number 20. Top prospect. Nice short print there. The Keisner out of 499 refractor. Colome out of 125 aqua parallel. The Ruiz out of 499 parallel. I'm sorry. And then Augustine at the base. So That'll do it, guys. Sorry that wasn't the best. Couple nice patch. That I like the Cedric Mullins patch. Not the best rookie, but nice patch auto. And then the Justice Sheffield out of 50 is a pretty nice card. So, sorry guys, that was not any better. But we'll have more Bowman. Or next, we're gonna do basketball next, and then we have 3 boxes of Bowman to do. Yeah, not bad. That's how it gets done. Sorry, man. Sorry. So anyway, so we'll have 3 boxes. We'll do basketball. Yeah, wasn't great. And then we'll do 3 boxes of Bowman, and yeah, and then we'll figure out something. I want to do a case of Inception. If you guys want to do a case of Inception, I'd be down. Sound like we got a lot of support for that. Yeah, that just gives you more reason to get ready for the next one. So. All right, that'll do it for me, guys. I'm going to get to sorting and shipping these out to you guys tomorrow. Like I said, basketball, then we'll do more Bowman, and then maybe get a case of Inception or something if there's enough support for that. So, all right, until next time, guys, peace. Thanks for joining in as always.